Now, I've been given the challenge of doing some of these questions here. It says, choose the correct equation for the following list to match it to the parabolas sketched below. And we've got 4 parabolas sketched below. Now, you could just do this by a process of elimination. I've targeted 1 or 2 here with ticks to draw. But I think really we can do this very, very simply by realizing that there's 3 different forms that the parabolas that you folks are likely to find these algebraic expressions for. So first one is when we've got something in what we call factorized form. So this one here is in factorized form. Next one is what we call expanded form, which is this one here. And the other one, which is called completed square form, is where we've got something that says y is equal to k x minus a all squared plus b. So we've got y is equal to k, and we don't have any ones with a k of value here, minus a x minus b. We've also got y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. All of those work perfectly well. However, this first one here, this has 2 very distinct roots. So I'm actually going to redraw that one up. So let's go ahead and do these ones now. So first one looks like this. So looks like we've got, what are those numbers there? What are they? Is that 2? I can't even see what that is. They're so small. Hang on, that's ridiculous. I think that's 2 and 4. 6, 8. I think that says 10. I think that's a 2. I hope it's a 2. All right, let's assume that's a 2. What are they thinking? How are you supposed to read that? Okay, so you've got a 2 here and a 4 here. Okay, so I'm going to try and draw like this. And the top one, it seems to be going through 2, 4, 6, 8. Looks like it's going through an 8 up there. In fact, tell you what I'm going to do, just to be sure, because honestly, I'm so sorry. I just really have difficulty reading that. Yeah, they are. They're in 2s. Okay, so I've just confirmed that. I've looked at the original now, which is just bizarre. When it prints, it just doesn't reveal any type of resolution here. All right, so this is going to head down. I'm going to try and draw this as best I can. So heads down, goes through there, turns around, and heads back up like this. Yeah, so that's what it's doing. All right, so there's our parabola, and of course we can label this with y's and x's and arrows and various other things. Now, nice and simple one to do. Now, I'm noticing all of the ones in the example here, these have all a k value of 1. In other words, these are just a basic parabola in the form of y is equal to x squared. It's not, there's no coefficient of the x squared. It's not 2x or a third x or negative 6x. It's just y equals x squared of some sort. So in that case, assuming it's a y equals x squared, we can go ahead and write this out pretty much straight away. So the way we write that out is to say we're going to have a y is equal to, and this time I'm going to use expanded form. There they are, factorized form, sorry. Factorized forms, there's going to be an x and an x. There's going to be a minus and a minus. This is a 2 and this is a 4. And let's just check that that works. So if x is 0, y is x, sorry, if x is 0, we have a 2. And if x is 0 here, sorry, if y is 0, we have x must be 2 or x must be 4. And if x is 0, y must be, well, negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 8. So this would be the correct equation for that one. All right, let's have a look at the next one in the next video.